Hey guys, this is Michael with ecFence, and I am excited to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek at a calculator that we're working on for ecFence systems. Just gonna facilitate your material calculations, and it's gonna make everything look really nice and professional. It's still not launched. We're still in beta, but we feel like we're really close, and I just wanted to like give you guys a little sample of what it will be able to do. So at the beginning, you're able to choose from just satellite, where you could trace the property lines. You could do a blank canvas, or you could upload a survey, and it's pretty cool because you just kind of trace a line, and then you could get the scale on the survey perfectly. So that's super simple to work on as well. I have over here a quick little plan that a client sent. They wanted my help with calculating how much material they would need for this project. So I'm going to use that as a quick example. We go to blank canvas, start drawing, just draw over here a quick line. This one over here is 34 feet long, this section, so we write 34, enter. Then we are going to draw this new section down here, so you write new section, because if you don't write new section, if you don't click on new section, it'll just be a continued segment. So you have to click on new section to have a separate segment. So we go over here, we draw another line, you give it dimensions, 9 feet for this one. It scales everything automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about drawing anything accurately. Really, realistically, once you give it a dimension, that's when it's going to actually, do the scaling for you. And then over here, we'll just do a quick, see, right there, I forgot to do new section, so it just did a continuation. So we want to go ahead and undo that. New section, and then we go and we draw our new section here, which is an L like you see here. This one's going to be 3 feet, and then we're going to have 14 over here. Enter, and then 14. So there you go. So here you have a little recap of your segments. You got segment 1 over here with 34, segment 2 with 9, segment 3 over here with 14, and then you got 3. So next we could proceed to placing gates if you have gates. If you don't have any gates, you just click next and you just kind of bypass this section. But we do have gates in this project. We have a double 10 over here, 2 5-footers. So we're gonna go double 10-foot. I know for a fact he wants a lockbox, so I'm gonna add a lockbox. You get to choose what side the lockbox goes, so you just choose here. It's really easy to work with. And then after you have selected your specs on your gate, you basically just click on an area on the segment that you want it, right? So right there, automatically it's gonna make the gate open outward. You could also change that. You could change that right here in the description of the segment, where first off, the first button is to center it. It's an automatic center. So you don't have to center the gates. You could literally right here put 6, and then as you could tell, it'll just kind of move the gate for you. But if the gate is meant to be centered, we gave it a shortcut. You just click here, centers the gate automatically for you. This one does go centered, so it was really easy that way. Um, if the gate would open inward, you would just click here and it changes the direction of the gate. Even if at this point you want to change which door has the lockbox, you could also do that. You could change it to the left or to the right here, as well as you could just delete the gate if it was a mistake. Now he has another gate over here. It's a 4-foot gate in this 9-foot section. So we're gonna go back. It's a single gate. It's 4 feet. Stays with 6 feet high. It does have a lockbox. He wants a right side lockbox, so you could change it, but he does want to write. And then we just click on what the segment we want the gate to go. And then he wants it to be basically all the way to the end, right? So we go over here and we'll just put 5 feet on this side, which moves the gate all the way to the edge. So as you see here, there's 0 on this side and you have 5 on the other side. The other segments do not have gates, so we don't have to touch those. Also, quick right here, you have this little zoom in. So basically, anything you draw, if you click this button, it'll make everything fit within the screen that you're looking at. So that's a pretty cool shortcut that you have there for quick visibility of your whole project. Once again, let's see, we go here, on to 5, there you go. And then once you input all your segments, then it'll allow you to go. If you don't give it a dimension to how far from one end or the other the gate goes. It won't allow you to go until you actually give it an actual dimension. That's like a fail safe so that we have accurate material calculations at the end. Okay, so we're gonna click next here. Here you get to pick the fence, the color, so natural bronze, and you get to pick your heights. We do have calculations for all these different heights. So right now this one's standard, so 6 foot standard is gonna be the one that's preset. And then just click calculate materials and it's instant. It'll give you all the breakdown of your materials, posts, gate posts, post caps, everything is instantly calculated and you have it here. From here, you could go to either print directly or you could, download a PDF. Uh, and then the PDF basically is this that you see here. It'll give you a small little view of your floor plan, and then it'll give you the whole breakdown of everything you need. Something that's pretty cool is it'll give you, like, for example, for this project, you need 33 plus 10, you need 43 EC panels, but it'll tell you you're going to use 33 of them full lengths, and then you're going to use 10 of them you're going to use to break, to cut down for the different smaller sections, right, that you need, and it'll literally tell you like the breakdown of your cuts here. You don't need to follow this, but it's pretty accurate on the cut list as well. It gives you the posts, the starters, like I said, everything. Down here, you have a good description of your gate that you're ordering. So it's very accurate when you hand this over to a distributor. When you hand it over to us, we'll know exactly what gate you want. It'll give us, what direction it opens, what side the lockbox is in. So all the details are there very clear for us so that there's no mistakes. That's what we're trying to avoid, right? Any extra material or mistakes. That way we could avoid rework. So yeah, this is a quick little update on what's coming, and hope you guys are like it. I'm extremely excited. This is definitely what I love to do as part of this company. I like to kind of innovate and do all these things that are going to just make it easier and easier for you guys to install our system and work with. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.